Good morning. We are just outside of Vicksburg, Mississippi, in Louisiana. And I just did a quick little video, put it on Instagram. But these are the new Tesla SUVs. Hard to see, sorry. Can't see it all in the back apparently. You can see fingerprints galore on these things. You got a stainless steel refrigerator, probably already know. But they're kind of the hot item. I think we've seen 3 of them just last weekend up in Dallas. Hey, this is going to be pretty cool. How many are you going to be able to see underneath one of these? It's a car carrier. In the trucking industry, we call them a parking lot. I don't know anything about them. First one I saw was going down the road and I thought it was a tornado chaser. Emblem on the very back end of it. It's like tools or something. That one doesn't have it. So, interested in them, you can check them out. Okay, that's camera operated. Foundation is the name of it, I guess. Wild tires. Alright, I won't bore you with this noisy Volvo up here. Yeah, Tesla's round out the load. Alright, I think they're pretty cool. I'd never own one, but, you know, to each his own. I'd never owned one of these either. Dual motor, wow. That's special. So we are bringing our daughter, Kaylee, and her family back from South Carolina, Hilton Head. And needed a walk around, so there you have it. There's your walk around. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you down the road.